Social media marketing, we're going to talk about 3 tips on how you can build an online business through social media and grow it and scale it into a 6-7 figure business with these 3 tips that I have for you. And the first tip before we really dive into is video. We're going to talk about why you need to be showing up on video and some strategies, quick strategies on how you can show up with video a little bit more with confidence. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves and bring their business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, so yes, I do a ton of training on network marketing, but in reality, social media marketing, network marketing, it's the same thing. So whether you're trying to build an online business or an online brand, in your network marketing space or in your business space, these tips are going to help you hit it so that you can have record-breaking month in sales. And so I just want to go over some statistics with you before I really dive into what is needed. And the first thing I need to say is you need to be showing up on video. And here is why you need to be showing up on video when you're building a business. Now, number one, 99% growth year over year on video, right? So video is here to stay on social media. If you look at Instagram, you look at Facebook, you look at TikTok, you look at YouTube, every single social media platform has a video aspect to it. So it is continuing to grow year after year after year, and 80% of consumers, people that are on social media to buy, prefer to look at video versus blog posts and everything like that. So video is here to stay. It's not going away, but what I can tell you is it doesn't need to be such a daunting measure, because honestly, people want to see real, raw you. So tip number one, if you're growing an online business, is you've got to be showing up on social media. And we're going to talk a little bit about which platforms you should be on and where you should be spending your time. But I do have a free resource for you. It is my Vault training of TikTok, YouTube, social media, recruiting, all of that. It's a free vault. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video so that you have access to the free vault that I've put together for online business owners on how to build their business through social. All right, so make sure you click on this link so that you can get access to it after this video. My second tip for you is if you are showing up on social and you are trying to do social media marketing, you cannot just sell. Gone are the days of posting your product, posting an image, and expecting to sell massive amounts of product or opportunity, whatever it may be. Your audience is looking for 3 things. They're looking for value. They're looking for you to teach them how to build something, right? So if you have weight loss supplements, educate us on how to lose weight, right? Don't just sell us your weight loss products. I want you to do some educational piece on top of it. Another thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you are entertaining your audience through humor, through, sharing life stories. That's number 3, is you need to be authentically you and share who you are when you are on social media, right? So it is not just sell, sell, sell. I like to say it's jab, jab, punch. So jab is, value, value, punch, sales, right? 80 to 90% of the time, you are going to be providing value to your audience, and 10% of the time, you are going to be selling. And it seems like, oh my gosh, I'm never going to get orders, but I can tell you, when you provide value to your audience and when you educate your audience and you entertain your audience, you have ready, hot buyers ready to buy from you right away. And so when you do that punch, so to speak, their wallets are out because you have provided so much value, and that like, know, and trust factor is there and it's established for you. Now, my third tip for you, before we get going into this third tip, I do want to point you out a TikTok training. I'm going to link it to this video of this right over here. You're going to see I have a TikTok training on the do's and don'ts of network marketing and how to use TikTok. But again, it's the same training for network marketers, online business owners. It doesn't matter. So I've got this TikTok training for you. I'll link it right over here so you guys can check it out afterwards. And my tip is my third tip to bringing social media online is make sure you've got a way to lead generate. And what do I mean by that? I mean, you need to be able to collect all of these leads. Far too often, I see people just sending strictly to a website. And if they don't opt into that website of your product or whatever it may be, you lose that lead, right? Where if you had a simple opt-in where they could opt in for something free or a coupon or something like that, then you've got their email list. And if you're building through social media marketing, it's really important to have your own email list, because at the end of the day, you don't own your social media accounts. You can get shut down. It can get shut down in a heartbeat. I've seen it happen far too often, and people lose everything. But if you have an email list and you're generating an email list, if God forbid your social media account came down or something happened, you still have a way to contact and to communicate with all of the leads that you have generated. So it doesn't need to be very robust. I recommend, just getting started, create a free something in MailChimp. It's nominal. You can create a PDF or something, but give them something in exchange for their email so that you're actually generating these leads that are yours and not just on social media. I can tell you it's made a world of difference for my business. It's helped me sell. It's helped me do affiliates, whatever it may be. Having a list is really, really important if you are doing social media marketing and you're trying to sell through social media. Now, I hope that this was helpful. My question of the day for you is, where do you like to generate most of your leads? What social media platform is your favorite? Put it in the comments below. I would love to hear your answers. I always respond to it. And make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out on another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.